Is justice a human construct or independent of humans? If you've ever wondered whether justice is something we created or if it exists on its own, you're not alone. This question has been debated by philosophers and scholars for centuries. Let's break it down. Justice is a concept that has been discussed and defined in various ways throughout history. For some, like Plato, justice is a virtue that establishes a rational order where each part of society performs its appropriate role without interfering with others. On the other hand, philosophers like Hobbes and Hume view justice as closely tied to human needs and interests. Hobbes, for example, sees justice as an artificial virtue necessary for civil society, arising from voluntary agreements in the social contract. Hume believes justice serves public utility by protecting property and ensuring social stability. Aristotle's perspective is also insightful. He distinguishes between universal and particular justice, with the former corresponding to virtue as a whole and the latter having a narrower scope. However, even Aristotle notes that justice is always in relation to another person, suggesting it is rooted in human interactions. The idea that justice is a human construct is further supported by the fact that different societies and cultures have their own definitions and practices of justice. For instance, John Rawls' theory of justice as fairness is a product of modern philosophical thought, emphasizing the importance of social institutions in ensuring justice. Moreover, the concept of justice can change over time and is influenced by social, political, and economic conditions. The feminist movement, for example, has challenged traditional notions of justice and punishment, highlighting the need for a more inclusive and equitable approach to justice. In summary, justice appears to be a human construct, shaped by our social, moral, and political frameworks. It is defined and redefined based on our collective values, needs, and experiences. While it may have universal principles, its application and interpretation are inherently tied to human society and culture.